Find our new Smart Planner feature on the homepage through the Create a Media Plan button or through the Create option in the menu bar. First, choose your organisation. Then select which country you'd like your campaign to run in, along with an estimate for the budget and some tentative dates. Then select an objective for the campaign, which might be a balance strategy, or you might want to focus on brand awareness, lead generation, boosting sales, or some local promotion. Then choose from one of your saved AI personas, build another AI persona, or select one of our standard personas such as budgeting families or city achievers. The recommended media mix is then presented, where you can see a breakdown of the media mix per category and then also each recommended channel with the relevant reach and frequencies outlined per channel also. Click the edit button to allow changes be made to each channel percentage by moving the sliders up and down. You can use the locks to ensure channel percentages remain fixed. You can add or remove channels at this stage and also have visibility over the recommended minimum spend for an effective ad placement. Click Recalculate Estimates to see the updated reach and frequencies, and click Revert to Original to go back to the original recommended media channel mix. At the next step, the recommended media titles are presented, along with their budgets and an estimate for their relevant inventories. You're able to delete those media titles and add them back, and you're also able to edit the budget allocated to each media title. You will see on the right the difference between the original and the updated budget, along with the comparison in the reach and frequency figures. You can also revert to the original recommendation. At the final stage, you get an overview of your media plan, where you can view a detailed plan rationale explaining the reasoning behind it. You can then save your plan, and your relevant CS manager will be in touch with you to proceed with scheduling.